I'm going to do 40 milliliters of part A and 20 milliliters of part B. And these are disposable, but I can clean them. And so because I'm going to use two, I mark one A and one not A, so I don't get them mixed up. Because if I get part A and part B, that's bad, right? Because these react together. Count with me. That's 10. That's 20, etc. We all know how to count. 40. Okay. I'm going to seal this up and tap it on there. Part B is very common with a lot of urethanes. It looks like clear syrup. Now this is a new can, and it's easy to open. So I just use a paint can opener, open it up. It's thick, it's syrupy. Now let me go ahead and measure this out while I'm at it. And it's important to get the proportions correctly. You want 2 to 1. So there's 10. I'm going to do one more. And there's 20. Okay, so I have my part A and my part B together. I'm going to stir them. And this is important. You want to stir this very thoroughly to make sure that it's all incorporated. So far, everybody's with me. This isn't terribly complicated. A little bit of this, a little bit of that as I throw it around. I got to clean those, but cleaning comes second. Stir this up, and now I'm going to set a timer or stopwatch for 5 minutes. Part A and part B have to react with each other. It's called induction. They have to react with each other before we start diluting it with water so that we can use it. Now once everything's mixed together and you're confident, you can just set it aside and then move on to the next step, which is, this is my rinse and cleaning bucket. So I have 2 containers of water. This container of water is what I'm going to use to dilute the urethane with to make the coats, the primer coat and the finish coat. Talk about that in a second. And now we're just waiting for the timer to go off so that we can create the prime coats. Now Omega uses a single dilution of primer coat and a single dilution of finish coat. The primer coats are 1 part urethane added to 7 parts water, or the other way around, it doesn't matter. And essentially what we're doing is considered a sanding sealer like in wood. We're making a very dilute urethane. It's not for adhesion, it's for color enhancement and to basically make the surface of the bare concrete less porous, less thirsty. Our finish coats, which bond extremely well to concrete, lay out better on a primed surface. So you're going to get a much better finish on something that's not so thirsty as bare concrete. And that's the only function of the primer.